Team SV, one of the MPL teams in Cambodia, is now disbanding. You know what time it is, man? Hands in. Laging mahirap magkaroon ng balita about a team that's disbanding, especially if it's an MPL team. And for Team SV, siguro karamihan sa mga Pilipino hindi alam kung sino sila at kung saan sila nanggaling. But they're a team from MPL Cambodia that has joined the region mula nung Season 5. And MPL Cambodia just finished Season 7. So tumagal sila ng halos 3 seasons lang. And I really got curious kasi ako personally wala akong masyadong alam regarding that team. So sinilip ko yung kanilang naging record. And siguro doon ako medyo mas naliwanagan. Season 5, they finished 7th out of 8 teams. Season 6, they finished 8th out of 8 teams. In Season 7, they finished 8th out of 8 teams. So mahirap talaga. It was not the best record para sa Team SV during their time in MPL Cambodia, and that probably led to them disbanding. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng teams unlimited yung pera eh. Sasali ka nga ng tournament para magkaroon ka ng funding through the prize pool that you're gonna be winning. And if you're not winning, you're gonna get at least a portion, pero mahirap na ituloy yun to make something bigger knowing na ito lang yung nakukuha mo. So with that, MPL Cambodia is left with 7 teams. I assume that there's gonna be another addition. We're gonna figure that out in a couple of months or weeks, but GG's to Team SV.